Hello and welcome to another video about JavaScript. Don't you just love it? Anyway, this video is about something that may seem particular when you first see it, and is the difference between when you say something like I++ or N++ and ++n. What is the difference? So let's say we have a variable called n which has a value of 1. Now you might know that if you call n++ on a variable with a value like a number, it will increase its value by 1. So it returns 1, and if you look here at n, now you can see it has the value of 2 because it has increased by 1. If you call it again, it returns 2 because that's how it was before. But now if you look at n, it is 3. It has increased its value by 1 again. And we can clear a little bit and give it again the, let's say, well, n is it's 3 now, right? So minus minus is different. It is the opposite. So basically, if you call n minus minus, it will subtract 1. So it returns 3 because that's what his value was. But now if you look at n, you can see it's 2. So now let's see something particular a little bit. I'm going to clear this and let's look what's the value of n now. So the value of n is 2. So we have seen that if we call n++, we will get 3, n will be 3. So what happens if you call plus n? Let's see what happens. Now the return value is actually what its value is now. It's not what it was before. But if you look at n, it is still 3. It's still just increased by 1. So how does it help us to use n++ or ++n? What is the difference? The difference is what it returns in the expression. In the first one, when you say n++, it's just increase it after the fact. It returns the value and only increases after the fact. But when you use ++ before, it basically returns the value and increases it at the same time. So let's see how that is used in a real world example, how the difference is used. So let's create an array. Let array equals, oh, I hide this, equals 1, 2, 3, right? And then let's say let n equals 10, right? Now if I say array push, and in here I pass n minus minus, what's gonna happen is if I push n minus minus, what's gonna be pushed in the array is going to be 10, and after 10 is pushed, only after that n will become 9. So his value will be decreased. Now if I call minus minus n, it will decrease it from the first time, and also we're gonna push the decreased value. So it will decrease it and push it as it is decreased, not the first value as it was before. That's not gonna go in there. So if I say array push n minus minus, 10 will be pushed. So if you look, array, we have pushed 10, and now n is 9. Now if I say array push, if I will say again array push n minus minus, then now it will push 9, like it pushed 10 before, because now it is 9. But if I push minus minus n, then when I look at array, I see that it has pushed 8. So now how this could be used in a real world example, it may take some time to maybe encounter some situation where you can use it, but luckily I will also post a video about the challenge where I use the difference between n minus minus and minus minus n. So I will basically use minus minus at the beginning instead of at the end to solve that challenge. And that way you can see how this other way of using minus minus at the beginning can be used. Okay, so I guess I'll see you in that video. I will link it somewhere. And if you enjoy this, if you learned something, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.